So this is what it looks like after I assemble the computer. Everything is plugged in. So we got the power cable in for the motherboard right here, and another one is underneath there, right here. And then we have connected the fan power over here. That's the CPU fan, and that's the case fan. And all the power source is connected to the optical drive right here, and hard drive right here. And then this one is a data cable, and it's connected to the motherboard over here. It's hard to see, but it's in that black cable right there. And then the orange cable is the data cable for the optical drive. And this is the audio cable on the front panel, and a USB cable for the front panel, power switch and reset switch underneath there. Let me zoom so you can see. Yep, all those cables in there. Okay.